Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Khan's kitchen. So today we're going to be making spinach and split chickpeas. So over here we have got two bunches of spinach, and in this pan we have got our split chickpeas. I have put them on to boil, and they are almost cooked. So washed your spinach a few times until it's fully clean and all like the sand and all the little bits are out of it. Right, so once you have cleaned your spinach, put it in a pan with 1 cup of water. So I am using a pressure cooker as it's a lot faster to cook the spinach, but you can also just boil it in a normal pan until the spinach is nicely cooked. So what I am doing is I am putting it in a pressure cooker and cooking it in there, like I said, as it's faster. And my split chickpea lentils are almost done, but as you can see, there's still a little bit of they're still a little bit raw, so I'm going to let them cook a little bit longer whilst my spinach is cooking in the pressure cooker. So as you can see, the chickpeas are still slightly hard, just looking at the grains. So I'm going to give them a few more minutes and hopefully they should be done soon. Right, so as you can see, our spinach is done. So once your pressure cooker gains pressure, just give it around about 2 minutes, and it's so quick to do it in here, which is why I've chosen to do it in here. And just check your spinach if it's to the correct consistency as you like, and also check your lentils. Our lentils are now done, and so is our spinach. Right, so in another pan, add half a cup of oil ready for the tadka and heat that up well. Once your oil heats up nicely, we're going to be adding some ginger garlic. So over here I have got my oil nice and heated, and I'm going to be adding around about 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste and cooking that well. Right, so as you can see, our ginger and garlic has gone nice and brown. Now we're going to be adding 2 medium chopped tomatoes. So once we've added our tomatoes, we're going to be cooking that until the tomatoes go nice and soft. So now add your tomatoes and mix well and cook until your tomatoes go nice and soft. Right, so now we've got our masalas. So we've got 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves. Then we've got a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We've got 1 teaspoon of salt, or add according to your taste. We've got 1 heaped teaspoon of dried chili flakes, and then 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds. So add your spices into the tomato and ginger garlic mix and mix it really well until everything is combined. So once you've mixed your masalas in really well into your tomato mixture, we're going to be adding our lentils, so the boiled lentils that we had. So add that into the mix and mix it really well so everything is combined. So we've been mixing this for a good few minutes, and as you can see it's mixed really well. We'll now be adding our boiled spinach or steamed spinach. So add that into your dal mix and mix that in really well. Right, so as you can see, everything is mixed in really well. So once you've mixed everything really well, put your gas on low and simmer it on low for around 7 to 8 minutes. And then your dal and spinach or a split chickpea lentils and spinach recipe will be ready. So once your lentils and spinach are fully cooked, we're going to be adding some ghee or refined butter on top, as it gives it a very nice taste. It just takes it up a notch to another level, and mix that in. If you would like the recipe to this desi ghee, the recipe is on my channel, so if you search it up it should come up. And now we have plated up our dal or lentil and spinach recipe, and how delicious does that look? If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Share it with all your friends and family, and press the thumbs up button as well. And inshallah we will see you with another recipe in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye.